Give her some revs, you little bitch. There you go. Mas bueno.
They're labeled, comes with new clamps, comes with stickers, comes with a hat, all that good shit.
Just note there's another mount mate right back here, but it comes out of, hold on. Fucking hell, man, I can't get this. There she goes.
Hit a low rev.
Dan? What?
Holy shit!
Oh my god, I love it.
No, it is.
Don't crack it wide open, okay? 3 grand? All right, 45?
Hit a 5.5.
Fuck that.
5.5, do it.
All right, 5.5.
Son of a bitch, that was hot. Don't see any cops.
There it is.
Hit it. Holy crap. You can smell it.